Hello friends, how are you? Welcome back to my channel, Therichpost, myself Ajay, and I hope you are doing great. So guys, in this working video, I'm going to show you OJS admin dashboard customization. And in next tab, I have customized this page as well. So friends, before showing you working demo, I must say, please watch the video till the end and please subscribe my channel for latest updates. So friends, here we go. First you can see the current admin dashboard layout in OJS. Now I will show you the customized dashboard. See friends, the customized dashboard see, I'm sure you will like it, and I will do the other admin pages as well. So friends, see, and please do comment on this video as well, and if you will have any kind of work, then feel free to contact me anytime. I am full stack developer, OJS, DSpace, Laravel, and so on. PHP, Angular, React.js, and I can say anything I can do for your services as well, and I will come with more demos in future as well. So please like it and share and subscribe my channel as well. In the end, I must say thank you for watching this video. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care. Bye bye.